We're shifting gears from the playing field to the digital field, because your computer's performance? It's kind of like a team's chemistry. When files get scattered all over a hard drive, it's like players out of position, everything slows down. Defragmenting is how you regroup the squad, tighten things up, and pick up the pace. Here's how you run the play. You're on Windows, you hit that start button, start typing defragment, and up pops defragment and optimize drives or optimize drives. That's your built-in tool, no extra downloads, no trades needed. Now in that window, you see your drives listed out. Find the main one, usually C. Check the media type column. If it says hard disk drive, you're good to go. If it says solid state drive, that one sits this one out. No manual defrag on SSDs. Click your hard disk drive, hit Analyze, and Windows tells you how fragmented things are. Big number, small number, either way, a little cleanup never hurts. Still selected? Now smash the Optimize button. The process gets rolling, status bars start moving, and you let it run, no heavy multitasking, no early shutdowns. It might take a few minutes, might go into overtime. Last step, you click Change Settings, flip on Scheduled Optimization, weekly or monthly, and let Windows handle the maintenance. Clean drive, smoother game, faster machine, now that's a winning performance.